That thing is weak. $10. Come on. You're gonna need a bigger plane than that. $50. Come on, Spider-Man, pull. You're gonna need all the Avengers to pull me. $100. These things are not even pulling me. $500. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, Joey's moving. Come on. So close. $1,000. If this can pull him, you have to subscribe. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on. No, I don't even weigh that much.